Welcome and what is up there, everybody? It's Casper Trader back here with another video today. You guys may be looking at my screen like, dang, Casper, you lost 10 bucks in the last 2 days. That kind of sucks. Well, it does, but what really doesn't suck is that the stocks I'm holding are looking to rebound. But before we get into talking about the stocks I'm trading and planning to trade, I'd really appreciate if you guys could hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really would help me out a ton. And for those who don't know what I'm currently doing, I made a challenge where I'm growing $200 up to $1 million. May sound impossible, but all it takes is 5% growth every week, which will lead to exponentially growing my $200 into $1 million into a whopping, enormous Robinhood portfolio. So let's get into the stocks. But wait, there's more. All right, so one more thing before we get in. I really want to mention this really quick. And 2 people so far have used my referral link for Robinhood, and if you are planning to join Robinhood, there's a link down below in the description for when you sign up. You will get a free stock from Robinhood. It can be any stock basically, but the last stocks that I have gotten were Siri, Snap, and DNR. So that means I got a total of around $12 from free stocks already. And I'd really appreciate if you guys could use that link because both you and I will get a free stock. And it can even be Apple or something, which is like $150. So why not use the link and just get a free stock anyway? So that's basically it. Okay, let's get into it. Sorry for the long intro, guys. So the first stock I traded today, well, I didn't trade. I just held it. DWT, I bought in like 3 shares or 4. And what I saw in this pattern was right now, today, a head and shoulders. This was one of the shoulders. This was the head, and this was the other shoulder. And I thought I was going to completely go back up. It was like a reverse head and shoulders. But it ended up just consolidating for a few hours, which kind of sucks. But I'm just going to have to wait it out. But what I see in this pattern, which you can't really tell with these kind of bad Robinhood charts, no offense, Robinhood, I still like you guys a lot, is that it was right at the support, and it was about to bounce, but it didn't complete it. And now it's at its last area of support, where it could either go and bounce up from around the $9 area, or like, yeah, $8.90 or $9 area. It could either bounce up from there, or it could just break and completely die, which sucked for me because I put in $120 into the stock. But I'm holding on to it. I'm just waiting for the bounce. It may even bounce up and gap up this night, and I might just see a profit in the morning. But we just have to wait it out. There's no point in selling right now because any day now it's going to go back up and bounce back up to its previous highs. So another stock that I'm holding, this is the one I'm most excited about, is TVIX. TVIX is by far my favorite stock. And last time I traded it, I made around 50% of my money on it. And what's so fantastic about it is that it has a simple pattern and it has huge profit margins. For what I'm seeing from the stock is that its support is around 37, it says here, but there was lower lows. So right around $34 to $35 right here, right here, right here. And every time it went down to that area, it bounced back up at least to around $50, if not to like $55, $60. So this was a huge bounce up because this was like the opposite. This is the inverse of SPY basically. And this is when the whole stock market like went into a complete downtrend. But now it's back at right at the support, and I'm waiting for it to start trending upwards, and I'll buy in one more share. And I can't wait for the stock to start trending up because 50% of when I buy one more share, that'll be like $100. That's $50 of gains. How fantastic is that? And I just hope that this pattern will continue, and I can profit off of this. And so can you guys, for those watching the video and are interested in stocks. So that's basically for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, again, if you like my uploads and my videos, I'd really appreciate if you guys can subscribe and smash that like button below. And that's basically it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I wish you a fantastic week.